Hi friends, good to see you all again. I'm back with another Moringa recipe for you as promised earlier in one of my videos when I got these Moringa leaves that we will be making lot more recipes with these healthy greens. So today's recipe is Moringa Parathas. They taste absolutely divine with all the onion, masala, spices that go into them, and they are roasted to a crispy texture with ghee or oil or butter, whatever you prefer. And you can enjoy them just with curd and pickle for breakfast. If you want to have a full-fledged meal, you can make some dal or saag to go with them. So let's make and enjoy. You can enjoy it either way for breakfast or lunch as you like. So let's proceed to make them.
Moringa Parathas, power packed with the nutrition and goodness of moringa leaves. So delicious and healthy. Do give them a try. Don't they look so inviting and irresistible? So make them and enjoy with some pickle, yogurt, or some saag or dal as accompaniments. Whole wheat flour 1 to 1.5 cups. Gram flour or besan 1 tablespoon. Moringa leaves 1 cup. We are going to wash them nicely and chop them up before kneading the flour. 1/4 cup of finely chopped onions. Salt to taste. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of crushed coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1 or 2 green chillies finely chopped or crushed. This is the preserve that I make and keep in the refrigerator. You can check out the recipe. And ghee or oil as required. Let's start with the kneading. Transfer all the ingredients into a large mixing bowl or a platter. In winter, you can also use ajwain or carom seeds instead of cumin seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee. Now I have washed and cut the moringa leaves. First mix the ingredients together. Once this is done, add water little by little and knead the dough. These parathas really taste very good, and the drumstick leaves or moringa leaves are also very nutritious. Now it is done. We are going to rest the dough for 10 to 15 minutes. Cover it with a clean cloth and set it aside. After 15 minutes, knead it lightly again. Now let's make the parathas. Divide the dough into smaller chunks, 5 or 6, depending on the size of the parathas you want to make. Roll out each portion. Now brush a little ghee or oil and sprinkle little dry flour on it. Fold it into a parcel, applying oil again and some flour. You can roll out square parathas or triangle parathas, or even normal round parathas, whatever you wish. For a change, I like to make some square parathas. You can roll out all of them and keep them in a tray and roast them all together. Sprinkle some dry flour and don't overlap the parathas. You can place a butter paper or a plastic sheet in between. The same way, roll out all the parathas. Now heat a griddle or a tawa. Brush little oil or ghee on it and transfer the paratha. Do it on the medium flame so that you get a nice and crispy texture. Brush some oil and flip it from time to time. Moringa leaves are loaded with nutrition, especially vitamin C. You should include these in your daily diet in some form or the other to boost your immunity. South Indians use them a lot in making dals, rasams, chutneys, poriyals, dosas. I shall be sharing all those recipes soon. Now the paratha is nearly getting done. Keep flipping it to roast evenly. I love the color of this paratha. Little bit of turmeric gives this beautiful look to it. Now this is done. You can remove a plate and serve it hot immediately. Repeat the process and make all the parathas in the same way. When you are entertaining, you can even make them half done and then roast them later, applying little bit of ghee or oil. It saves time this way. Half done parathas can also be frozen. So friends, make and enjoy these delicious and healthy moringa leaf parathas. For breakfast, you can just enjoy them with pickle and yogurt, and if you are having a complete meal, you can make a saag or dal also as an accompaniment. And if you like the recipe, do share it with your friends. Check out the other moringa recipes also. I am sharing the link in the description box. We'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Stay tuned until then. Take care and happy cooking. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.